Welcome to part 2. What we're doing at this stage is we're blowing as much air through the little hole that's down at the bottom here using these rotating bellows. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get the temperature up to 1085. At the moment, if we look down on here, that was at 936. So let's get some more air in there. And that should start to rise now. Yeah, there we go, 38, 40, 42. And as the charcoal's getting hotter and hotter, so the copper inside is also getting hotter and hotter. You see that I'm wearing my specs, my safety goggles, and I'm wearing the gauntlets as well. At this point, safety first. Absolutely safety first. So now we've got a decent flame coming off the top here. The temperature's now up to 1050, 55, 59, 64, 69, 75, okay, 80, 85. Brilliant. So we're now above the melting point of copper. It will not melt immediately. It'll take a little while, but we can slow it down a bit now. I've got an inverse crucible on the top, and that's just acting as a lid to try to keep the heat in. But it's now at a good temperature, lovely flame. I can feel the heat from here. And so fairly soon I'll be ready to take the crucible out and pour it into the mould. Temperatures, yeah, about 1160 at the moment, so I can slow it down. There's no point in having it much higher than it needs to be. You can also see on this how efficient the ceramic blanket is. It's a brilliant invention. Yes, I will be scorching the earth underneath a bit. To be honest, I'm not overly concerned about that. It's the ceramic. It's just holding it all together. So what we'll do, I'll carry on with this and then I'll see you in part 3.